Happy Monday and welcome to the first edition of Single versus Taken, a series where I show different perspectives of how things happen when you're single and things that happen when you're taken. I think one of the most obvious ones is probably finding something to eat. Something so simple, something so necessary, something so easy is complicated, is drastically altered and drastically affected by adding another person to this equation. Let's watch.
I mean, come on, let's be real. We microwave.
So, I was wondering if you would like to go to the coffee house for some coffee. Hey, since I'm hungry and you're hungry, I was wondering if you would like to go out and eat. Take you out to Olive Garden, Chili's, maybe Red Lobster. Hey, me and you should go out to dinner sometime. Maybe Red Lobster, Olive Garden, Chili's. Just buy anything as long as I'm with you. Look at that. So simple. It's like they chose a place. Alright, now that we've seen how single life is trying to eat, let's watch somebody in a relationship do that.
I'm hungry. What you want to eat?
Let's get some Wendy's.
Nah, I don't want that. Nah, you pick. Well, we can try Olive Garden.
I want no damn pasta.
You don't want that either? Okay. Okay, let's get Red Lobster. You don't want seafood. Okay. Pick a place. Just say a name and I'll let you know if I want to.
Quiero Taco Bell?
I don't want no fucking Taco Bell. I really think we're never gonna figure out what we want to eat. How about McDonald's? You don't want McDonald's. Okay.
What about some Burger King?
Burger King. I don't know fucking Burger King. Starbucks. That's right, they only got drinks. Never mind. You know what? We just gonna starve. How about that?
Now look at you walking in here looking all pretty and angry and mean and good. I know you didn't get your hair done so you could just sit down and just sit still.
Hey, we trying to have a good time tonight. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.